Many retailers and consumer goods manufacturers have committed to eliminating deforestation from their supply chains. This means their suppliers must also remove deforestation from their operations. But how can farmers at the bottom of supply chains implement no deforestation commitments? This is where the High Conservation Value Approach, or HCV, and the High Carbon Stock Approach, or HCS, come in. The HCV and HCS approaches are tools that farmers and companies can use to plan agricultural expansion in a responsible way. They work alongside complementary procedures such as respect for customary rights, legal requirements, and free, prior and informed consent. HCVs are critically important biodiversity, habitats or ecosystems, or social or cultural values. They include endangered species, sources of fresh drinking water, and sacred sites. HCS refers to natural forest types, which can be distinguished from degraded lands. For example, a regenerating tropical forest could be HCS. HCVs and HCS forests are identified by specialist assessors in participation with local communities. This process is called an HCV or an HCS assessment, or, if done together, an integrated HCV-HCS assessment. The assessments indicate which areas in a proposed plantation need to be protected. Once any HCVs and HCS forests have been identified and mapped, a management and monitoring plan can be created and implemented with the participation of local communities. The remaining areas of the proposed plantation can then be developed without risking damaging any high conservation values or high carbon stock forests. Without these assessments, important conservation areas may be lost. By requiring their suppliers to undertake HCV-HCS assessments, retailers and consumer goods manufacturers can take action to eliminate deforestation from their supply chains.